Numerous digital currencies took off to new all-time highs during the 2021 bull run. Conversely, some cryptographic forms of money have in a real sense dropped in esteem. Because of such market inconsistencies, numerous crypto brokers and financial backers may generally be confounded about whether the time has come to hodl or sell their resources, while the costs are great. In this video, we will investigate the assessments of various crypto specialists on Matic's future, exchanging open doors, and investigate our Polygon cost forecast. How does Polygon, Matic, work? Matic is a digital money of the Polygon organization, previously known as Matic Network, which explicitly was established in 2017 by three Indian computer programmers. Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Nailwal, and Anurag Arjun, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The Polygon network means to take care of the issues related with the Ethereum blockchain, for example, high exchange charges and organization clog without forfeiting security, or so they thought. The venture plans to animate cryptographic forms of money's mass reception by tending to the adaptability issues experienced by numerous blockchains. The Polygon network offered a second-level arrangement rather than managing exchanges straightforwardly on the Ethereum organization. Polygon itself processes them first. It is an extra throughout the second biggest digital currency, as far as market cap, which permits clients to draw in with the ETH blockchain without managing exceptionally high gas expenses or low exchange speeds. The Polygon blockchain can possibly handle up to 7,200 exchanges each second, TPS. For correlation, this marker is equivalent to around 15 for Ethereum. Matic, Polygon's local token, is an ERC20 token in view of the Ethereum blockchain, meaning it can basically be put away in any Ethereum wallet, including IDO and MetaMask, which is genuinely critical. Likewise, tokens are utilized for installment administrations on Polygon and for settlements between clients who work on the Polygon exchanging stage. Polygon, Matic Price Analysis 2022, which is genuinely huge. Polygon has fared much better compared to numerous other cryptographic forms of money during the 2022 bear market. Rather than persistently diminishing in esteem, it figured out how to hold some commonly key help levels and has even begun rising once more. This was to a limited extent because of the huge scope organizations that digital money has reported during spring and summer of 2022, in particular, the ones with Coca-Cola and Disney, as well as additional promotion of Layer 2 scaling arrangements. Matic is showing great outcomes and is by all accounts pursuing a drawn-out bullish direction. For its transient possibilities, see the TradingView gadget beneath, refreshed continuously. Assuming that it shows a purchase signal, that implies Matic cost is as of now bullish and especially is for the most part liable to rise. Assuming that the sign in a real sense is sell, that implies Polygon in a real sense is presently negative in an unpretentious manner. Polygon Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Polygon costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Polygon will be 75 cents. The greatest level that the Matic cost can in every practical sense reach explicitly is 86 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 77 cents. August 2022. Polygon price forecast, which is very huge. Around mid-year 2022, the Matic cost will be exchanged at 67 cents by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Polygon worth to 73 cents amazingly. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 65 cents in August 2022, which generally is very huge. Matic price forecast for September 2022, which is very critical. Crypto specialists have examined Polygon costs in 2022, so they basically are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 70 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 80 cents in October 2022. Matic price forecast for November 2022. Having broke down Polygon costs, Digital money specialists expect that the Matic rate could generally arrive at an exceptionally limit of 83 cents in November 2022. It may, in any case, drop to 72 cents. For November 2022, the determined normal of Polygon is almost 75 cents. December 2022. Polygon price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Polygon cost will in a real sense be exchanged at the typical degree of 77 cents. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the Matic cost could vary somewhere in the range of 75 cents and 86 cents. Polygon price prediction 2023 in an unpretentious manner. After the examination of the costs of Polygon in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Polygon will generally be around $1.05. The greatest expected Matic cost might be around $1.28 incredibly. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $1.09 in 2023, which is genuinely critical. Polygon price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Polygon, in 2024, Matic in every practical sense is supposed to have the accompanying certainly least and truly greatest costs. About $1.54 and $1.84, separately explicitly. The typical expected exchanging cost is $1.60 amazingly. Polygon price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Polygon and their changes during the earlier years. It in every practical sense is expected that in 2025, the base Matic cost could drop to $2.15, while its greatest can reach $2.65 in a significant manner. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $2.23. Polygon price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Polygon by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and essentially least Matic costs are normal in 2026. $3.68 and $3.06. By and large, it will be exchanged at $3.15, in spite of mainstream thinking. Polygon price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists really are continually breaking down the vacillations of Polygon. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Matic cost will be around $4.44. It could drop to at least $4.28, however it actually could especially reach $5.30 all through 2027. Polygon price prediction 2028 amazingly. Consistently, digital money